You understand? So you have to be mindful. You know what I'm saying? And as I always use the term toothpaste, get some toothpaste, squeeze it out, and try to put it back in. You can't. So the words that you're saying, you have to be mindful of what you're saying. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta just own up to it, man. Own up to it, man. And you can't be wrong and strong, man. Own up to it. Know you make a mistake and try and just get beaten where you get him now because the public is beating you. The public gonna drag you. Social media gonna drag you. But you gotta understand, it's your action cause that. You understand? So your brother been in that situation. He messed up. He go again. He messed up. We understand. We're not perfect. Even me myself, I'm not perfect. That's why I'm not gonna bash nobody. I'm not gonna get to down nobody because guess what? I can mess up too. You understand what I'm saying? I can mess up too. You understand because we're human, but there's certain things as a human being you're not supposed to mess up on, bro. Like certain things, bro, you're not supposed to mess up on. And if you mess up on certain things like that, bro, you have to check your head. You have to seek counseling. You have to something is wrong. You know what I'm saying? So again, as I said before, just don't try to play it off. And then the mother know, because I'm gonna talk on the mother too. Big up yourself, my lady. I don't know you, and uh, furthermore, you're a young mom. You know, um, and you're doing your best. And as a mom, anything that bring life, I gotta give it respect, right? Uh, just as what I said initially, I'm not here to bash nobody. And just like how I never bash your baby father, I'm not gonna bash you as well. But I'm gonna let you know upfront and personal, right? That you should have said something in that moment, right? Whether or not you think it wasn't dear to your daughter, you should have said something in that moment, or ensure that that video never went out if that's the case, right? No, the fact that you never say nothing and the fact that you come on social media